What's up, guys? Yeah, I got this fitness channel, where I make videos about fitness and how you can eat or drink you to a six-pack if you want that. Yes. This time we're gonna look on a healthy drink you can easily make. It takes maximum 5 minutes to make. What you need is oatmeal, or on Danish havregryn, strawberries, or you can use raspberries or blueberries if you want to, milk, yogurt, and of course a blender to blend it all together. Yes. First you take 8 eating sheets of this, 8 pieces of oatmeal in your blender. Yes. And then you're gonna have some 8 sheets, I don't know what, a skate or what it is on English, I'm bad to English, yes, of yogurt in your blender. Yes, when you got that, you're gonna have 8 of milk, but I more prefer 10, because it's not gonna be so thick, it's more thin, so you're not gonna swallow a big thick drink. Yes. Then you're gonna have some, I take strawberry. You can also use raspberries or blueberries. Yeah. MV2. Yeah. If it is a small piece like this one, you're gonna need 6. But if it is a big one like this, you're only gonna have 4 or maximum 5. Yes. So, yeah, it doesn't look very delicious right now, but I'm sure it's gonna be. Then you just need to mix it all together, blend it. Yeah. So, we're gonna blend it. So, then you're gonna look if there's some big strawberries in it, because it's difficult to eat. This one is a perfect size. You can easily take that in your mouth, but it's just, if it's such a big one, you're gonna blend it one more time, because you can't take 2 big pieces in your mouth. I can't. I don't know if you can. Good. Then I need a glass. So now I got my glass. Wet it in. Yeah. Then I'm gonna drink it. Yes, because you think, oh, he don't like it, he just throw it out after the video. But I'm gonna drink it to show you it's not poisonous. Yeah. That's delicious. But it's cold, very cold, because of the strawberries from the freezer. Yeah, especially for your teeth. And it's cold. So it's that easy to make a delicious, healthy drink, so you don't get fat, so you can get a six-pack. Yeah. If you want to see more videos like this, pictures, comments, or anything else, then go in my fitness channel. The name is Mr. Fitness Channel on YouTube, and click sub, leave comments to my videos so I know how you feel about them, so I can make them better, and much more. And please like them and share them. Yes. And there will come much more videos, not only about this, but anything else about fitness. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, then go in on Fitness Workout. The picture is that one, that big man. No, that's not me right now. Where there is a text, and the cover picture is that the baby lifting that. Yes, chill the fuck out. I only got 16 likes right now, as you can see. Yeah, that's not so good. But if you can see, I post pictures about squats, the difference between having an ass and a butt. Yeah, and about how you exercise your neck and like that. So go in, press like, you're gonna see much more videos, much more pictures, much more everything. Thanks guys.